Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from Automotive. Today we have a 2025 and up GMC Yukon, and I'm going to show you how to remove the front end. I'm going to remove the top cover. It's held by push pins, so just use a prying tool or a flathead screwdriver. Pop these clips and you just kind of pry it up. Raise the head of the clip and then pry it underneath. Before we remove the top cover, we got to remove this lever for the hood, and it's a T15 Torx. These two screws, we're not going to set them aside far because I like to reinstall the latch as soon as we take that liner out, so that way in case if you close the hood, it's not going to be super difficult to open it. So remove the two screws, slide it forward. Now we're going to just remove the liner and we can reinstall this lever. Next, we're going to remove 6 10mm bolts. Alright, so now we're on the driver's side inner fender and we got to peel back this liner. We're going to remove 5 Torx screws. It's also a T15. And when we remove it, we'll be able to peel back the liner and get access to the rest of the hardware. So in addition to the 5 that we removed on the outside, there's one inner towards the bottom. It's also that Torx screw. Okay, so now we can peel back the inner liner. So now what we have to do, we have to separate the fender from the bumper. There's 3 bolts here that are holding the fender. There's one on the corner here, there's one in the middle, and there's one that's a little bit further in. The outer one needs to be removed, where the middle one and the more inner one has to be just loosened. It's a number 7 ratchet, and I'm going to use it to loosen it, and then we'll be able to pop out this panel. I usually start it with a ratchet, and then I loosen it with just a socket. So the first one's here. The second one is here. And the third one's a little bit difficult to reach. It's towards the headlight. So I usually start it with the handle, and then I take off the socket and just back it out. And here's the one that we took out closest to the tire. So now that we removed the outer one and we loosened these two, we can pry this open and separate the bumper from the fender. There it is. And you can see here is just clips, but the outer one actually has a hole for the bolt. And there's one more bolt that we have to remove here. That's the one that's facing towards the front of the truck. It's a number 10. Now we can go to the other side. So let's start with all the Torx screws and the inner liner. And don't forget there's one on the inside. So now I'm going to peel back the liner. Just like the driver's side, we're going to remove this bolt and just loosen these two. Alright, so the outer one gets removed, and the 2 inner ones, you just loosen. And then we can just pry. So now we're going to remove this bolt here. That's the one that's facing forward. So on the passenger side, there's 2 harnesses. There's a large harness, that's the main one, and there's a small one here. And we have to unclip them. I'm going to use a prying tool in order to separate it from the truck. So now that we got this harness out, it's a little bit tricky how to unlatch it. So if you see there's a red clip, you want to press it down so that way this tab comes out of the groove. And instead of pulling them apart, I'll take this gray thing and slide it down, and this wheel's going to spin. So when you press it all the way down, you can unlatch it. So right underneath the main harness, there's also a small one. I'm going to unlatch it as well, and we'll bring it out and unhook it. So on the smaller harness, there's also a red tab. You want to bring it down, and then you want to squeeze and separate. Now we're going to remove all of these 7mm bolts across the bottom. There's a total of 10 bolts. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and unclip everything on top. And kind of pull on it to separate these clips. There it is. Good idea to have somebody help you hold the grill so it doesn't fall. And that's it. It's not too difficult. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something today. Please stay tuned. We're going to install some light bars behind this grill of this GMC Yukon Denali.